Hi everyone, welcome. In our last couple of lessons we've been working with descriptive adjectives. Remember that adjectives are words that describe nouns. They are the words that condiment our nouns, so to speak. It's like the salt or pepper, mustard, mayonnaise, ketchup that you add on to your food to spice it up a little bit. So we use adjectives to spice up our nouns, give them more meaning, give them more description. Adjectives will agree in grammatical gender and in number with the nouns and the pronouns they describe. Let's look at what we've learned so far. So in our first lesson we learned that adjectives that end in O or OR have four forms. An example of this is the adjective tall. We have alto, alta, altos, or altas. The form that you pick depends on the noun, whether it's masculine or feminine. For example, hombre, I would pick alto, because the word man is grammatically and biologically masculine. The adjective has to agree with that. If I pick the word mujer, which is woman, the word la mujer is biologically and grammatically feminine, so the adjective alta has to agree with that. If I pick hombres, it's plural and masculine, so I have to use altos. If I pick las mujeres, the women, I would have to use altas because it's grammatically feminine and plural. Okay, so that was the first thing we learned. We learned that adjectives that end in E or a consonant have the same masculine and feminine forms in the singular and in the plural. So basically you only have two forms for these type of adjectives. The other ones, I call these four-form adjectives. These adjectives, I call them two forms because you just have a singular and a plural form. So here's the next rule about adjectives. When you have adjectives that are describing two different genders, you have to use the masculine plural form. That's just the rule. For example, if I say Luis es alto, Luis is tall, and I say Ana es alta, but I want to put them together. If I want to say Luis and Ana are tall, it's no problem in English because we use the same form. In Spanish, though, you have to choose among the masculine plural and the feminine plural. Since it's mixed genders here, the default is to use the masculine plural form. So if I want to say Luis and Ana are tall, I would say Luis y Ana son altos. Let's look at a few more examples here. If I wanted to say Jose and Maria are nice, I have my adjective simpático. It has to be plural, but I have two forms. I have simpáticos or simpáticas. Which one do you use? Because it's mixed genders here, we use the masculine plural as the default. That's just the grammatical rule. So I would say Jose y Maria son simpáticos. Bajo means short. If I want to say John and Mary are short in Spanish, then I would say John y Mary son bajos. Eva y Gregorio. Eva and Gregorio are red-headed. Pelirrojo means red-headed, so I would use the masculine plural form for this. Eva y Gregorio son pelirrojos. Giovanni y Laura son, they are Italian, italianos. Giovanni y Laura son italianos. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like to continue learning. Click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Hasta pronto.